2.5 tons in weight, 3.5 meters high and 2.2 meters wide. Buoys, also known as floating navigation marks, are primarily used to mark shipping lanes. They can be distinguished by their shape and color, and sometimes by light signals, and their uses are internationally regulated. Today in Hamburg, they're taking the first steps in the construction of a new buoy. The buoys are manufactured here in steel. This means we procure the material, the parts are prefabricated and then brought together and welded until the structure of the buoy is virtually complete and can then be blasted and coated. Today, the individual parts are first assembled for testing and then welded together. It's crucial that they are well constructed. They might be subject to small knocks from ships or driftwood, and then it's of course particularly important to us that the mark is made well and to a high standard so that it's not vulnerable to damage as much as possible. The initial construction stage of the buoys is now complete. What happens after the welding work? Then they're delivered to Finkenwerder, where they're stored at the HPA site, and from there they're transported to their deployment sites. And in Finkenwerder, the final outfitting takes place with all the attachments. The journey continues to Finkenwerder. Here, the HPA specializes in the technical outfitting of the buoys. But what exactly happens here? And we're now fitting them out, so to speak. They arrived painted and ready to go. We then had battery boxes designed for them, brought together the components, assembled them, and we're now using cutting-edge solar and LED technology, and we're equipping them with that. The heart of the technology is this box. But this design is not available on the open market. These are aluminium boxes in which we can fit 3 85-amp batteries, a charge controller and a very simple on-off switch. That's all it is really. We come up with our own solutions and then implement them. So these are unique to Hamburg. As soon as the technology is in place, the construction of this buoy is complete. However, it's not yet clear exactly when this buoy will go into the water. When it's finished, it will be stored here, hopefully for a very long time, because when they have to be taken out, something bad has usually happened. If that happens, and they have to be taken out, then we'll get them ready, put the chain on, the anchor stone in place, and then they'll be laid. 2 exclusion zone buoys are soon deployed. In contrast to the fairway buoys, these are much smaller. But the anchor is the same for each.
Port is what we do.